Strong winds can cause serious damage, ripping off roofs, breaking windows, and leaving homes and businesses exposed to the elements. If your property was hit by the recent extreme winds, your insurance company may not pay you what you truly deserve. Omar Ochoa Law Firm fights for homeowners and business owners dealing with wind damage claims. Insurance companies often delay, deny, or underpay. Our job is to make sure they don't get away with it. We handle roof and structural damage, wind and flying debris, impact business interruption losses, underpaid and denied claims. Don't let the insurance company call the shots. Call us today for a free consultation. You don't pay unless we win.